In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you three side hustles I've already tried this year and have made me over 1.2 million naira. Yes, you heard that right. That is how much I've made so far from these three side hustles, which I'm going to be sharing with you today. So this particular one, you don't need to do too much, or you just need to do some few tasks, and after doing those tasks, you get paid at least every month. So my cumulative amount, or the accumulative money I've earned from these three side hustles so far this year is like 1.2 or even more if I get my calculations right. So without wasting so much time, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, and I'm going to be going from the best one, from the least to the best one. So do wait to watch this video to the end, and of course like and subscribe for you to get more videos like this. So without wasting for so much time, I'm just going to be sharing my screen with you, and I'm going to be showing you everything, or I'm going to be showing you this particular website, and then I will show you what I've done and how I actually did it, and what you can also do to also earn from this website. So the first one which I'm going to be sharing with you is farm up tax. So this particular tax, I've been using it for some time, and as simple as it is on this particular website, you just need to comment on the reels, comment on reels, join a WhatsApp group, comment on on any website, and just like that, comment on a Facebook post, like a Facebook post, share a Facebook post. So that is everything which you actually need to do on this website, as you can see on my screen. So if you go on the next page, you also see as many tasks as possible. It also have a referral program, which is actually good, and with this you can actually earn a lot. And then you can also see your withdrawal. You see this is how much is in the balance which I can withdraw, and anytime I want to withdraw it, I am going to withdraw it. So if you are new to this channel, before I jump to the next one, if you are new to this channel, my name is Akere. Of course, if you want a video like this, side also some things which you can do, or even some things which you see on YouTube video and you don't know if you should try them, and you want to get honest opinion about this make money online stuff which you see, you can always come here, because I always make video about a particular thing on YouTube to tell you if it's actually work or not, or if you should waste your time or not. So let's jump into the second one, and the second one is Sequest. So this one, I actually started using this a few months ago, and of course I've made my first withdrawal on it. If you check maybe three videos back, you will see when I showed the referral proof for this particular platform. So far I showed a referral proof of, I think, maybe 2,000 or so on that particular platform. On that particular video, you can check the video, you can just go back, you see the video. I'm going to be linking the video also maybe at the end of this video, so you can actually check that out. So on this particular platform, on this Sequest platform, it's like they have jobs in which you can actually partake. You can come here, and when you click on jobs, you see all available jobs in which you can actually do. You see jobs for 10 naira, for 15 naira, for 100 naira, for 150, and it has page by page. You see comments on recent Sequest Facebook page, you can see all this stuff here. Post Sequest on YouTube, you can see how much you actually made from that here. You can see as many tasks and features which you can actually. The secret about this particular website is you don't actually need to depend on the task, because I didn't depend on the task, because the task, you can see the task 10 naira, 15 naira, 2,000 naira. These are not so much, but let me show you the secret about this website and how you can really earn so much on the website. If you come here under my dashboard, you will see right now I have like 12,000 naira which I'm supposed to withdraw. Well, I just leave it there because I'm not ready to withdraw it here. It's still counting. It keeps counting every day, and you can see I don't have withdrawn 2,000 naira before, and you see 12,000 naira is there for me to withdraw, and my balance is 135. So how did I even get this 12,000 naira? It's so simple as that. So what you can actually do on this website is my do affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing means that you are actually promoting this website, and when you promote this website, and people sign up on this website, you get 1,000 naira. If you check here, you see the long list of people which have actually referred so far. If all of them which have referred and have clicked on this link have actually registered on this website, I will have more than 12,000 naira, because it's 1,000 naira per person which you refer. What I have here is up to 70 people. If 70 of them have actually registered, not just clicking, actually register and sign up, then I'll be having almost 70,000 right here. But only 12 of them have done so far. I've told you I've withdrawn before, and so if you add that, maybe 15, 20,000. So that is that. So the affiliate for this particular one is actually the best. If you do affiliate marketing for this particular one, it's actually the best, I must say. So refer people, get 1,000 naira. As many people as you refer, you will actually get money from it. So that is all about this website. I'm going to be going to the third one. If you have questions on this website, I have videos on that already, and you can actually watch the video to see how everything is actually done. I'm just showing you 3 sites also that I've done in this year, and have made me almost 1.2 or 1. Or even more than 1.2. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is the biggest one of everything, and which is called YouTube. You see, YouTube right now, okay, I'm calling it a side also because I am doing it, because I'm not doing it like a full-time stuff. Some people also do YouTube full-time, like they are just on YouTube full-time. They just make YouTube video. But for me, sometimes I just post maybe once in a month or 2 times in a month when I have the time to shoot a video like this one which you are watching. So it's actually my side also. So you can also start a YouTube channel today, and when you start a YouTube channel today, you know how much you can actually earn from YouTube, from being a side, not your full job. Maybe after you work, now you just come back, you just shoot a video, you edit it, maybe you upload once in a week, or 2 times in a month, or 3 times in a month. And then this video, if you make a very good video that people will keep watching, this video will always get views, and even when you don't shoot new video, you are still gonna be making money on YouTube. So YouTube is the third one, and you can see a lot of people which you know here. You can see Cristiano Ronaldo also opened a YouTube channel, I think 2 days ago, and he has almost, I think, 30 million subscribers already. I'm not saying you need to have all that to earn so much. No, you don't need to. You can just have just little. I have less than 8,000 subscribers, and I'm actually earning from YouTube every month. So what do you need to do? You just need to get a particular niche, get something which you can really talk about, something you can really relate to very well. Make a video on it, maybe once a week, or 2 times or 3 times in a month, and then you upload them. This video, they keep getting views, and you always just have to do it as your side also. Let me just show you something to motivate you real quick. You can see some YouTubers, see how much they've actually made. You can see this YouTuber is actually making $62K to $1 million in a month. That is a lot, right? We can also check some other YouTubers, maybe some popular one, which you know, maybe say Steven in Dunku. I don't know if I get that right, but let's see. There's a popular Nigerian YouTuber which I'll put this guy here. You can see how much is actually making. He's making $606 to $9,700. Of course, this, I don't know if this is his full job or this is his side also, but of course he also upload video maybe once in a month or 2 times in a month. Yeah, and the videos are getting views. You can see how many views he gets. You see, last daily average he gets 80,000 views on the daily. Weekly he gets 565,000, and in a month he gets 2.4 million. You see, that is that, and that is that about. So even if you are not so big on YouTube, you are not so big and you don't upload video frequently, just like me, I don't upload video frequently, you can also still make YouTube your side also, and also get money from that. So these are the 3 platforms I actually wanted to bring to you today. Yeah, I hope you actually like them, or if you are going to try any of them. If you have questions, don't forget to put them in the comment section. And of course, I'm going to be making more videos like this. You can start YouTube today, you can join Sequence today, you can join Farmers Tax today. These 3 of them, and you will start earning as soon as possible. I remain Akere. Until I catch you the next one, stay cool and have a blessed one. Bye for now.